This. What's up? Hey guys, I was just checking out this bin I have over here. I have a bin of this shiny stuff. Does anybody know what this is? This thing, and I got a box from back here. This silver plated. I'm going to tell you a little bit something about silver plated in 2 seconds. Okay. Silver plated stuff. It will be stamped on here somewhere. Right? If you take a magnet to it and it sticks, that means it's silver plated steel. Not too many places will even buy this because they don't know about reverse electroplating. Now that's electroplated steel. This is separate. This is different. This is EP brass, is what the stamp says. Now scrapyards say they'll pay me brass for this. Brass prices, but they sort it. Why? I'm guessing that scrapyards sell this to the same people that buy that electroplated steel. The electroplated brass might be even worth more because the brass is a non-ferrous metal underneath it. This is this. That is that. This is electroplated copper. And there was rusty stuff on it. It says EP copper. That's all you gotta look for. EP copper, EP brass, or what did that one say? Oh, silver plated Hong Kong. That's what this one says. But it's just a silver plated, cheap, crappy silverware, dinner stuff. If you get silver stuff that's stamped silver on it, it's worth more as silver than it is as scrap. Even if there may be like a dent on it. Let me get something to show you what I'm talking about. I got a whole bit of weird stuff I couldn't bear to sell. Okay, some more EP brass. This is worth more as a serving table tray than it is as a piece of scrap brass. Do you know what I mean? You can sell this for scrap brass. And this one's from Canada. Can you see it? EP brass, Canada. Basically means it's electroplated brass. Decorative things made out of non-ferrous materials. Look at this. It's a copper. I know it's copper. It's copper in it. Why isn't this worth as much as normal copper? Because it's number 3 copper. How many of you knew about number 3 copper? This is number 3 copper. It's sheet copper. It's the same stuff you use as the old flashing for roofs. I've got a whole bin of this. Look, there's another bowl of this. In fact, I have a whole bin of number 3 copper. You know what else I have this copper? It's also number 3. Right here, look at this. Sheet copper. Art that was broken. I grabbed a copper sheet out of it. I'm sure it was an antique. Worth millions. But it was broken, so it was worth a couple bucks. In scrap number 3 copper. Why doesn't anybody ever talk about number 3 copper? Still pays you pretty good. Last I checked, it gets you the same price as burnt copper, like burnt insulation copper. You know, I don't know if anyone's ever dumped a bin dumped a thing of gasoline in a bin and burnt it and burnt all the insulation off the copper. I've never done it. I won't do that. That's just bad for the environment.